Recording in progress.
Hey, Anantians, trailblazers, people that are curious. Welcome to week number 2 of the 7-week Skills to Accelerate Your Retirement series. This is exclusive to Ananta X. Now, there's a lot of skills out there, but these are the 7 skills that you're going to need to take Ananta X into a business arena that is going to absolutely excel your life. So the video I played before this was pretty relevant, pretty powerful. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that. So skill number 2 is to build and respect your names list. Now, what is this? What does all this mean? So let me just run through a couple of the basics. What does it mean to accelerate retirement? It means you're going to shorten the years to get there. If people are kind of in a working environment, working mindset, they're going to say, I'm going to retire at 60 or 65. So, they're working towards that. Now, there's no way on planet Earth with an Ananta X that I'm going to work, till 60 or 70 to be able to retire. I'm here tonight to tell you, if you apply these 7 skills that you are going to learn, teach, train on, apply to yourself, if you follow them, I'm here to tell you within 2 to 5 years, you can absolutely retire if you want to. It's not about stopping early, it's about gaining options. What do I mean by that? Some people wait till, retirement, let's say at 65, then they're going to buy a camper, then they're going to go on holiday, then they're going to do this, then they're going to spend more time. When you get there earlier, we get options. In the next year or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, if you start earning 50, 70, 80, 100, 200, 250,000 rand, $500,000 rand a month extra, you've got options. Your life will change. When a member accelerates their retirement, they build disciplined habits, and that's what the 7 skills are. Reduce monthly financial pressure. When it comes to the month, most people work till the month end to pay stuff. We're going to pay it. What's the school fees for the year? Yeah, just take the money. Do you know what I'm saying? You don't buy groceries week to week. You build a part of your kitchen bigger, and you just buy stuff for the next 3 months, 6 months. You don't have a car payment. You phone up the bank and say, hey, what is the settlement on this car? And you just pay it. That's what it means. Creating leverage, there's the word, leverage, by using systems. Now, when I say using people, it is empowering other people. Here's the thing. Do you want to earn 100% of your own effort or 1% of 100 people? We're empowering, developing income and value streams. Here's the fact. Those who start building structure early don't need to panic later. And we're going to have a series on this. What is structure? When it comes to Ananta X and we're talking about accelerating your retirement, you can't just get 1 or 2. You can't just get 5 or 6 personals. You're going to have to go 10 minimum wide. But anyway, that's a series that I'm working on. Motivation, every skill you master today is a year you take back or years that you can take back. Accelerating your retirement isn't chasing freedom, it's engineering it. That's what I love. I'm engineering. I'm going to go at least 10 wide. I told you, my personal goal is to go 1,000 wide. Now, some people are going to say, oh, good, what is wrong with this guy? 1,000. No. I'm just going to do it. 1,000 wide is going to give me 100,000 rand a month or in gold value income. Then you've got options. Why does the 7 skills matter? Because it's not theory, hype, or motivation. These are exact skills required to move you from income dependency to time freedom. Listen carefully. If you master these 7 skills and you apply it, freedom is guaranteed. Most people delay retirement because, they want more motivation. Just, I'm not going to phone somebody today. Just motivate me a little bit more. I just need to read another book. No. Anyway, Income instead of systems, effort instead of duplication. The 7 skills correct that when followed to the letter. That means you don't go left, you don't go right. These are the 7 skills. This is the blueprint for Ananta X to become independently wealthy. Then you're going to find some people that's going to tell you, no, man, this and that and this and that and this and that. That is the biggest threat to you and I. We're going to act and think like leaders or trailblazers. We're going to use proven systems. We're going to create consistency. Sorry, I'm running through. I need to get to where I need to come. The outcome, if you apply the 7 skills exactly, you build habits. You stop chasing results and you create momentum. It's not about getting 10 or 4 or 3 or 5. It's about helping them duplicate what you did. And then they duplicate what they did and you did. And before you know it, you've got people out there duplicating in your team, which is going to help accelerate your retirement. You develop leaders, trailblazers within your operation. Here's the thing. Here's a mindset you have to have. Every single leader or trailblazer, my goal is to make them more successful than I am. I'm going to say that again. My goal is to make the leaders that's going to develop trailblazers in my team, I want them to be more successful than me. If I've got 50 leaders out there more successful than me, guess what happens to me? It's accelerate your retirement by building something that continues. It's not about doing more, it's about doing the right things consistently. Okay, so we follow the skills, we trust the system, and we let time do the rest. But getting into tonight, that was just kind of, the intro. So tonight is about building and respecting your name list. So why should you respect your names list? Whoops. Your names list represents trust. Every name on the list is a person who has crossed your path and at some level knows you. That's the people you should put on your list first. Respecting the list means acknowledging that trust, not exploiting it and not ignoring it. When you respect your list, you approach people with clarity, not with desperation. You don't get to decide their future. Judging your names list is quietly deciding on others' behalf. Deciding, sorry. I'm going to say that again. Judging your names list is quietly deciding on other people's behalf. If I get to the point where I need to say, you know what, I don't know, this guy might be too busy. This lady is too popular. This guy doesn't have it. No. You do not have the right to decide for other people. Respecting means giving people information and let them choose for themselves. The names list. Leadership is often options. Control removes them. Your list is a long-term asset. Listen carefully. Your names list is an asset. No names list, no future success in Ananta X as a business. That's the only thing we have. But here's what a lot of people do. They get 1 or 2 people and they now get into this, this boss mode, and they're going to drive these 2 people to go fetch the millions. You will lose them. They will quit because of pressure, unnecessary pressure that's put on them by somebody that's not prepared to do the work. Results don't come from rushing people. They come from relationships that mature over time. When you respect your list, you don't pressure people. You don't burn bridges. You keep doors open. And that's how long-term businesses are built. Why should you respect your names list? Respect removes fear from the conversation. Fear shows up when you feel you are taking something. I've got to get these guys in. I've got to take I've got to make it mine. Respect shows up when you know that you are offering something. If I speak to somebody about Ananta X, I'm not taking anything. I'm offering them gold. I'm offering them education. I'm offering them health and funeral. I told you, I've got a lady, she's busy filling in the forms tonight. She's joining Ananta X because of the health. And she's a very, very, very connected person. And I'm just going to, and here's the thing, she was on my list. Well, she wasn't actually on my list. That's a weird thing. She's not really she's somebody that I know through somebody else. It's not somebody that I kind of know personally. But they found out about me and Ananta and saw something and phoned me anyway. That's another story. But I'm going to take them through the system. Now that they're on the names list, I'm going to go through the 5-step system with them because you don't know. You don't know. I'm going to get to that just now. When your intention is service, fear disappears. Respect creates professional behavior. Respecting your names list means you follow up professionally. You communicate clearly. You honor people's timing. Now, that professionalism reflects directly on you and on Ananta X. I've got somebody that actually phoned me and said, you know what, this Ananta X, story. And then, we got to the bottom of the whole problem. And there was a problem that was not Ananta X, but they will never admit that. It's always somebody else. Anyway, your names list is bigger. Listen carefully. Your names list is bigger than this moment. Some people won't be ready today. That does not make them irrelevant. The daily tracker. You've got the daily tracker. If you don't track your business, respect means understanding that timing changes. I told you, if somebody says no or not now, it might be, we don't know. Personal challenges. We don't know. Keep the door open. And that's why the 5-step system is so powerful. It says, no worries. I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. It's professional. Circumstances change, mindsets evolve. Now, I don't like the word evolve, but that's what people understand. Many leaders, strongest team, listen carefully. I've experienced this, and I think you have as well. Many of the strongest leaders that's ever come up in kind of a networking platform is people that at first said no. Now, please, this is not network marketing, but you guys know that. Why should you respect your name list? Disrespect shrinks your confidence. If you abuse your list, you start avoiding it. Then your names list becomes the enemy. If you respect it, you will use it confidently. Avoidance kills momentum. Respect restores courage. I've got a names list. I'm just running through the names. I'm offering something to people. It's not my job to make them take it. I'm not a salesman. I am a professional information distributor. That's all I am. If I would you, yes, I follow the system, 5 steps. No, goodbye. Well, I'm not going to say goodbye. I'm going to use the system. No worries. I'm here if anything changes. I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. Professional. Respect builds duplication culture. Guys, duplication. Now, we've heard this word so many times, but a lot of us don't really understand what this means. The mindset is I know something and I'm not going to share it with you. Because if I share too much with you and you take what I know and what you have, you might become stronger than me. Amen. That's the goal. That's the goal. That's the goal. Your team will copy. Listen, your team will copy how you treat people, not just what you say. Now, I don't like this term, monkey see, monkey do. They will do what you do. They will not do what you say. If you are telling people build a names list and do this and this and this, and then eventually they found out you don't have one and you don't do it, or me, then I'm a hypocrite and they will know it. And because of that, people will leave. That's how powerful it is. When you see respect timing, when you see this, when they see you respect timing, respecting choices, respecting conversations, stay professional, they will duplicate it and the culture stays healthy. Why should you respect your names list? Respect keep you aligned with your values. You don't want success to come at the cost. Listen carefully. I've got two little badges here on my desk. The one says, my integrity is not for sale. It says, my integrity is not for sale. My integrity. I will not do stuff unlegal, unlawful, irritable, stupid stuff that will in any way hurt my integrity, my peace, or my reputation. Then I just won't do it. Respect keeps growth aligned with who, listen carefully, not with who you are, with who you are becoming. That's one of the keys to success. It's not what you know, it's who you are becoming. Respect means networking. Now, I don't like that word, but this is kind of how people understand it. Everything is networking. Everything, your friend circle, it's networking. Your church organization, it's a network. The Stokvel, it's a network. It's a network of people knowing people, knowing people. Without respect, your names list feels like a sales transaction. With respect, it becomes communities of possibility. It becomes seed in your hand. Here's a question. What is a seed? A seed is not something you put in the ground and it grows. A seed is a potential forest. Think about that. Stop working on your list and you start serving your circle. Now, to the next part. What is a growing, no judgment list, names list provide? That means if I am continually adding names to my list and I don't judge, I'm just adding and adding and adding. Doesn't matter if they're blue or green or yellow or upside down or living in Moerlandspun or under the bridge or over. It doesn't matter. I am a professional names list adder. I just add names. I collect business cards. If you've been with me, you would have seen me do this. Anyway, so what is a growing names list? What does it provide to you? More options and less pressure. Listen carefully. A growing names list removes emotional pressure. When you have options, you stop forcing conversations and start leading. If I've got a names list of 5 people and 3 says no, you are absolutely going to go into panic mode. Because 3 say, no, they can't do it now. Wara, wara, wara. I've only got 2 left. What if they say no? What's going to happen? No, 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 no. If I keep growing my names list, if I've got 100 names on my list and 2 says no, who cares? Got 98 more to go. What does this list provide? Consistency over luck. A wide names list, a bigger names list, turns growth into a numbers process. It's not a luck game. If I speak to 10, I'm going to get 3, 4, 5, 6. If I speak to 10 more, I'm going to get 3, 4, 5, 6. If I speak to 10 more, if I keep on talking, if I keep on growing, it can never stop. And by doing that, you stop hoping somebody joins and start expecting movement every week. Now I've got somebody going like this lady. Now I'm not going to stop my world and just, be phone her 14 times. She's a number in the system, but she's special to me. I'm going to look after her. I'm going to go through the 5-step system. I'm going to find out, does she only want to be a member or does she want to become a builder? I don't know. If she's a member, I'm going to help her as much as I can. I'm going to make sure she knows how the coupons work, where to get this, how to do that. Tarara, tarara, tarara. I'm going to empower her as much as I can. What is this? What is a growing, no judgment list provides? Stronger retention. When you invite widely, if you keep on going and you just keep on going, without judgment, the right people will self-select. The right people will come at the right time. But if you've only got a list of 5 people, you're in trouble. Now, that leads to better alignment, better engagement, and longer-term members. What does this list provide? Emotional freedom. Rejection loses its power when your list is growing. If 3 people says no, I've still got 70 on the list, you know. That's why I've said it before. Just answer the question. If I were you, yes or no, are you in the 5-step? I'm going to take you through the system. The step 2, step 3, oh, okay, goodbye. You know, well, not goodbye. Totally okay. I'm here. If anything changes, I'm going to help somebody else in the meantime. I'm going to stay professional. Just get through it, because I've got 20, 30, 50, 60, 100, 200 names more to go. Just get into the system. One no, and this kills so many dreams. That little 2 word, that little word no. One no doesn't matter when there are 20 more names on your list. Here's something I want to share with you tonight. You can never phone the last people on your list, the last person. Never. I have to make sure there's always one more. Then it's not the last. Before I speak to somebody, I've got to make sure that there's one more, or 2 more, or 5 more, or 10 more. One no doesn't matter. Faster leadership development. Leadership grows through conversations, not results. This is what all these scams are about. Yeah, just bring the numbers, put 100 and 500 and 1,000. I've said it so many times. I don't want 500 at once. I don't. I want to take it slowly, one by one. I want to take this person. I want to say, right, are you a member or are you a builder? If you're a member, we're going to go that way. Are you a builder? We're going to go that way. And that's how I'm going to lead through people. I would rather go slow and build structure. The more people you invite, the faster your communication and confidence improve. What's that golf guy? Gary Player. Gary Player was probably one of the top golfers in the world. He had a saying. He said, the more I practiced, the luckier I got. There is no such thing as luck. If anybody programmed that into your brain, I want to break that programming right here, right now, tonight. There is no such thing as luck. It is about engineering. It is about building. It is about empowering in yourself. The more you invite, the better it becomes. The more you talk to people, the better you become. The more you start inviting, the easier it gets. The more you attend the Zooms and the trainings, the easier the words comes off your tongue. I told you I was with another company many, many years ago. I didn't know what to do. I was staying in the other side of the country. It was just me. There was nobody else. So I got a video of a presentation and I listened to that thing hundreds of times, hundreds. My presentation sounded word for word exactly like the guy that did it. The same jokes, the same pauses, the same breathing, the same everything. But the more I did it, the better I got. Somebody asked me the other day, yeah, Fricky, you talk so flawlessly. Thank you very much. But I told you when I was at school, I stuttered so bad, I stopped speaking. So this is not natural. This is practice. What is a growing no judgment names list going to provide you? Natural duplication. When members see you writing names without fear or bias, they will copy what you do. Wherever you go, you have to have your names list with you. That is the proof that you are doing what you say you're doing and you are what you are. If you don't have your 5-step system, your daily tracker and your names list with you basically all the time, then you are killing your own business. List building becomes cultural. What are we doing? We're doing a names list. What do you mean? We're going to have, I've got to make time. No, it's natural. If I speak to somebody, hey, I've got something, can I get your number? If I could show you, would you look? Great, give me your number. What do you do with the number? It goes on your names list. It goes into your daily tracker. Just start filling it up. Just start adding and adding. And I actually got another name today. I had to go to Capitec. There was a lovely young lady that helped me. So guess what I did? I said, hey, well, blah, blah, blah. I said, listen, if I could show you how to get, some gold every month and benefits, would you look? Guess what she said? She said, yes. I didn't jump up and down, start screaming, yeah, it's a name on my list. I'm professional. Now I'm going to take her through the 5-step system. I'm going to send a recording or invite her to a presentation. I don't know. Whatever they can do, I'm going to take them through the 5 steps. It's on my list. It protects you against burnout. Oh, this is brilliant. Burnout comes from pressure and stagnation. When you run out of names, here's what happens. People want to make a donkey a racehorse. Now, please, I'm not saying people are donkeys. I'm just using the analogy. Some people are just better movers than others. Some people have got bigger dreams. So people with bigger dreams and ambition in life, let's say they are horses. And people that's got, less, they're happy, they are donkeys. You cannot change a donkey into a horse. I cannot make a chicken fly. That's why I'm looking for eagles. But you don't know who the eagles are. I'm going to have to go through the chickens to find the eagles. A growing names list keeps momentum alive even during quiet weeks. I've said it so many times. Some of you on this call, and I'm proclaiming that. There's going to be hundreds of people a week, thousands of people a week joining your teams. It's coming. I'm telling you it's coming. I'm proclaiming that. So you might have a quiet week. This week it's only 100 or 200, where last week it was like 1,000. Then what do? Go into panic, mate. No, you still got your names list. You just keep on going. If you are in fear, use your names list. If you are stressed, use your names list. If you are angry, use your names list. Higher quality growth over time. A no judgment list attracts diversity in skills, background, and leadership styles. You don't know. A lot of people don't know who we are. I found a young lady the other day, and it was just, I've seen her a couple of times, I didn't know her. Then obviously, I started talking and la la la. And eventually I found out this lady is incredible. I didn't know it. She was incredible. She is so powerful. I didn't know it. So if you keep on going, you are gonna find eagles. Over time, this produces more stability and resilience in your team. What do I mean by that? If I've got 4 people and I'm going to, kind of protect them, I'm going to, become like the herder. They're my sheep, and I'm going to protect them. No, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. If you kind of just protect them and keep on there, they can't grow. That's why in your mind, and I'm going to say it's on this recording, I told you my personal goal is 1,000, but it will be more because I'm never going to stop. I'm going to keep on going. Remember, unlimited width creates unlimited potential. So if you want to cap your potential in rewards, then that's what you want. I don't want that. I'm going to keep on going. Here's the thing. If I've got 5, and something happens, it's 30. But if you go to 10 and 15 and 20 and 30 and 50 and 100 personals, you become so stable. Somebody's going to say, I'm going to take my team of 4 and leave. Cheers. I've got 100 personals, at least 50 in every team. I've got stability. Anyway, that's a whole different course. Long-term retirement acceleration. Your names list is your future pipeline. Your names list is your asset. It is the only thing. Doesn't matter how good you are, how good a presenter you are, how good you are with people, how well you dress, where you stay, what you drive. It doesn't matter. Your names list is the only thing. If it is a growing, no judgment names list, that is going to accelerate your retirement. What you write down today determines what pays you months and years from now. The names list is going to provide you with a professional mind shift. A growing list changes how you think about Ananta X. I mean, there was people that I really looked up to. Really, I didn't really see them as a mentor, but as people that I kind of looked up to. There's this one gentleman in particular. Now, I'll never share who he is, doesn't matter. But anyway, I went to him, approached him with Ananta. He kind of looked at this and he said, oh, no, I'm doing this and this and this and this and that. I'm not interested. And that hurt. That really hurt. Because I thought, well, that's what I always think. How can you say no? Is there something wrong with you? No, that's what I think. It's not what I say. So I keep the lines open. I said, no worries. I'm here. If anything changes, I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. And it hurt. But here's the thing. I've got 30, 50, 100, 200 names on my names list that I've still got to go through. I'm not worried about him. As a matter of fact, guess who sent me a WhatsApp about 2 weeks ago? Asking me if we can have coffee. Now listen carefully. You stop seeing it as who will say yes. Please just say yes. Please, please, please. And you will start seeing it as who deserves to see this option. When that changes in your mind, you are on your way to becoming more successful than you can ever think. Leadership responsibility. Couple more slides and we're closing. Not popularity. What is the leadership frame? Your list represents who trust you enough to listen. It blows my mind. Sit with people say, okay, we're going to, right, let's make a names list. Okay. Then they come, the first name is the guy that went with them to the army like 40 years ago. I said, wow, have you spoken to them? No. Why would you put them on there? They probably won't even remember you. But no, that's the names list. I'm going to put my school friends on, which I haven't seen in 20 years. Why would you put them on first? It's about trust. That's your warm market. You write down and you put down the names of the people that you know, love, and trust. Family, spouse, children. I can't share this with my kids. What? Then who do you want to share it with? With all due respect, the guy on the corner begging for bread. It blows my mind. The warmer your list, the more success. Anyway, avoid this lie. I don't want to bother people. If that's the mindset, then with all due respect, you're not in the right mindset. If that is what you think you're doing, please don't do it. Please, I'm begging you, don't talk to one person. Just don't. Rather find out the truth. You don't get to decide who needs an option. You don't know. I mean, I've met people on the outside. Man, it looks like that they are rocking. They got the nice cars and stays in the nice neighborhood and a story and a what. Only to find out that they are on the brink of losing everything. You don't know. If I would you, no, don't thank you. Then I know. You don't know. If I phone my friend and I talk to my friend, he might listen to me. He might listen and give me an ear, maybe look at a presentation, maybe look at a video. It might change his life. If somebody that hasn't spoken to him in 30 years phone him, he's going to like, what the hell do you want from me? Who do you want to phone you? Let me ask that question. Who do you want to phone you with something like this? Your friend or somebody that you haven't spoken to in 20 years? Maybe somebody you just met at the mall, the guy who wanted a business card. Now, who's this guy, coming here with his story? No, there's no trust. But teaching, every name on the list is in 3 categories. People who need savings. There are millions of them. People who need structure, gold and education. There are millions of them. And people who will lead later. People who through the process of learning and growing and eventually get to the point where they start believing in themselves and their abilities that we're going to help and teach them can turn into leaders that's going to change dimensions. But we as trailblazers, we do not have the right to prejudge. We create access. I create an opportunity, a door for people. It's not my decision if they open the door or not. It's my work. It is my responsibility to show them that door. If I send 1,000 people to the door and I get 500, you're earning 50 grand a month. Do you hear what I'm saying? But if I've only got 2 and I send and 1 opens the door, that's 100 rand in rewards a month. But if I've got a names list of 100 people and 50 says yes, you hear what I'm saying? We don't prejudge. Retirement grows with reach, not effort. What does that mean? I've got a list of 5 people, man, and I'm going to make sure I'm going to phone them 50 times a day. I'm going to reconfirm. I'm going to keep phoning these 5 people until I turn blue, and you probably will. If you've got a names list of 50 people, you're not worried about 5. Do you hear what I'm saying? I don't want a name list of 50. I want a name list of at least 1,000 people. I need more because I want 1,000 in my front line. How am I going to do that? I'm going to keep on adding. Somebody actually phoned me from a call center. I said, listen, I'm very sorry. I'm not interested in that stuff, but I've got a question for you. They said, yes. I said, if I could show a way, the 5-step system, if I could show a way to start saving on benefits, accumulate gold with a whole bunch of education stuff, all legal with no risk, would you look? He said no. That's fine. It's off my list. Goodbye, scratch it off. Did I scratch it off and say, "Oh, stupid idiot"? I said, "No, no, no. I'm. Here was my response because I'm following a professional system." I said, "No worries. You've got my number. I'm here if anything changes. I'm just going to help somebody else in the meantime." The 5-step integration. We're going to use step 1. Curiosity starts with names. No names, no business. No names, nothing. Nada. Well, in Ananta X, if you don't have a names list, you've still got an incredible membership. You've got gold accumulation, the other stuff, the coupons, access to the health. If you still got all of that, but without a names list, it will not go further. And step number 5 is duplication. The names list is where duplication begins, not the 5-step system. This. If people see you carrying a names list and they go with you and they see you speaking to somebody and you're asking, "If I were you," that's where duplication starts. Most of you that I've been around with has seen me done it because I do it all the time. "Hey, if I were you," "No, thank you. Goodbye." "No, no, no. No worries. If anything changes, I'm just going to help somebody else in the meantime. I'm leaving the door open. And trust me, in a week or 2 or 3 or a month, they're going to see me again and they're going to see me again. And eventually, I'm going to look different. I'm going to be wearing better clothes. I'm going to start driving new cars. I'm going to go on a holiday. They're going to like, "What is up with this guy?" If someone won't listen carefully, if someone not can't, won't build a names list, they are unconsciously choosing the membership only, and that's okay. That's okay. The 5-step system, we got it. Da 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 da. Step 4, step 5, you know where it is. Da 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 da. They said, "No, no, no. I don't want to build a names list." Then people say, "Oh, I'm going to write you off, man. I'm looking for the builders." No, no, no. I need 1,000 front line to earn 100,000 Rand a month in gold, obviously. To me, it doesn't matter if they are a member or a builder. If they're a builder, it's going to be better. If they're a member, it's fine. I need 1,000. That's what I want. If I only get 1,000 people, that's only members, I'm earning 100,000 Rand a month. Obviously in gold, which I can transfer and withdraw to my bank account as much and as many as I want. Do you know what I'm saying? It's not about finding the builders. I'm gonna get 5 builders and I'm done. No. No, 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 no. That's not the right attitude. That is not accelerating your retirement. That is building fear. That's building rejection. That's going into a dark place of panic and stress. It's not where we want. Benefits, going into the retirement bridge. Benefits removes the fear of selling. Benefits removes the fear of selling. I'm not selling a cup or a pen or a this or that. I'm asking, if I could show you how to get gold every month, would you look? That's if anybody says no, then I don't know. Well, I do know. It means that they either don't understand, they don't have the money that they think they can start, or they're just scared to say yes. If somebody says, "I don't have the money to start," no problem. How many people do you know? No, I know a lot of people, right? Let's do what? Let's do what? Let's make a names list of people that you know. Let's sit down. Let's start with your family, your friends. Let's make it easy. Who do you know? His name starts with A. Oh, I know Andre, and I know Antonio. Okay, great. And B, I know Beulah, and C and D and E, and you go through it. You build a names list as big as you can, and then you say, "Right, here's the deal. I'm going to help you. We're going to contact these people. We're going to take them through a system. The first 4 that joins is I'm going to join under me. That means I'm going to make 100 Rand off each. Then I'm going to take that 400 Rand and then we're going to register you. And then you can build. I'm going to help you. If they say no, then I'm gone. I'm out because then they want parcela. Oh, oh, come on, just give me, I've got 5 million people. Just sign me up. I'll bring them by the buses. No, they won't. They will not. You never, ever, ever sponsor somebody because here's the truth. You cannot do for other people what they could or should do for themselves. Because here's the deal. This guy made me a deal. I don't have $400, but I want to start. I'm unemployed. I don't have a job. Wara, wara, wara. So, right, let's make a names list. Great. We got a names list of 40 people. Great. Let's go. Under the first 10, 4's yes. Great. In the process, this person has seen you do it. They know how to do it. They've heard you do it. They've been on the presentations. They've seen the information. So after that, they can run. Oh, you're offering relief, not opportunity. That's why I hate that word opportunity. I hate that word. I love words, but I don't like that one. There's a couple of them I don't like. That's definitely one of them. But that's what people understand. What do I offer? An opportunity? No, I offer relief. Relief from financial pressure. Relief in the form of savings. Relief in private education for your children. Relief in a future that can change everything. Relief in the fact that if you keep on going, you will get rewarded. That's what I'm offering. And that's why the names list grows sustainably. Sustainably. Keep on adding. I, personal Frikkie, will never, ever, ever, ever stop growing my names list. Never, never, never. Well, if they put me in the ground, then I have to stop. But until that day, I'm not stopping. I'm going to keep on going. I have to. I want 1,000 people in my front line. Even if they're just members, not builders, they don't talk to one other person, but I've secured them. I've taken them through the process. I've anchored them into the products. They can't leave. That's what we want. If I've got 1,000 people like that and they are happy, they are growing, they are benefiting, they are secure, I'm serving them, I'm helping them, they're not leaving. But if I've got 1,000 of them, I'm earning 100,000 Rand a month. Application assignment, this is for you. Teach your team names first, confidence later. No, I'm just going to watch another video before I phone somebody. I'm just going to know names list first. What's the first thing you do on the 5-step system? You write down 20 names. Why is it the first thing? Because it's the most important part. No names, no business. If anybody writes down 20 names, there is no way. There is no way. People, especially with what's coming. Now, the gold is not, we're waiting for the back office, but it's already in process. Those that's been paying since November last year, your 40 Rand, 40 Rand, 40 Rand is accumulated. When we go live, if you paid for November, December, January, and let's say February, that's 4 months. When we go live, that 4 months worth of gold value will be put into your gold. Even if we're not on the new system yet, you are already accumulating your gold. If anybody writes down 20 names, and I go to them and we work through the list, yeah, I'm going to make time. Oh, what am I going to say? I don't know what to, I haven't talked, I'm not comfortable with people. I don't like, it doesn't matter. If you can read, you can follow a system. If you can read, if you can type, if I da 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 da, da would you send? Yes. Oh crap. Oh crap. What? No, 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 no. 5-step system. Learn it. Learn it. Learn it. You need to know the 5-step system by heart. You can ask me anything, any step, anytime. Yes, I designed it. Most of it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I know it. I can teach it. How do I teach it? I literally take the piece of paper, I sit down, and I go through it. Great. Step 5, member builder, great builder. What's the first thing you do? You can write down 3 goals, the date, and you're going to write down 20 names. Not 6, not 20, not 14, or we're not going to stop at 18, 20 names. That's what we do. If you don't want to do that, then I'm back to this. If somebody won't build a names list, they are unconsciously choosing a membership, and that's fine. I'm okay with that. If I've got 1,000 members, I'm financial. Well, I'm free, mostly. Names list first. Here's a quote from me. You can't build a future with people you were too scared to write down. You cannot build a future with names of people that you were too scared to write. I'm not going to phone this one, he's too big. He's got too much money. He drives a bigger car. He stays in a better neighborhood. He's got 14 houses. Who cares? I'm not interested in what you have. I'm interested in what you think. I'm interested in asking you the question. I'm interested in your response. If it's yes, we go this way. If it's no, we go that way. It doesn't affect me. I want to tell you just a quick story. Another friend of mine, we were together in something else a couple of years ago. It was regulated and registered, very fun, but it was a selling thing. And we kind of worked together, and eventually I got sick of it and I left. I said, I'm done with this. And eventually now they signed up under me, and they said, no, they're going to keep on going. I said, I'm happy for you. I got an upline to help and support them. I said, I'm not leaving you dry, although you are my downline. I'm just saying I'm stepping away from the building. I'm still using some of the products. I said, but I'm going to link you into this person, and they're going to blah, 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 blah. And I ran into him about 2 weeks ago. Now, he works far and we don't see, but he's on my names list. Anyway, so I just got to speak to him before he was due on my list. So anyway, we were having coffee. He came over and said, hey, how's it going? He said, are you still doing that thing? Oh, he actually knows about Ananta. Sorry, I have spoken to him. And he said, not now. He did. I'll get him to get his testimonial one day. Anyway, so I spoke to him. This was about 2 weeks ago. And now I've got something he cannot say no to. So I'm like, oh, but we've grown a little bit. He said, what do you mean? I said, well, if I can show you how to get your hands on gold every month, would you look? Guess what he said? Story, come see me. Anyway, tools that we're going to use and have used this week as a growth room. Here's your focus, your names list, name list psychology story. Sorry, this is what we're going to focus on. Stewardship versus fear. Leaders create access, not judgment. Here's the Zoom integration. Use the Zoom. Invite. There's a WhatsApp message that I've sent out all the groups to invite somebody to a Zoom or to a WhatsApp presentation. There's instruction. Invite from your list, not your memory. Work your list. If you've got a name, put it on your list. You've got structure because you will forget. Here's what Jim Rohn says. You cannot trust your memory. Write it down. This is a have a look language. If I would you, no, don't worry. Stupid idiot. No matter, doesn't matter. I'm here if anything changes. I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. That's going to irritate the crap out of them. What does it mean he's going to help somebody else? What does it mean? Stick to the 5-step system. Here's a leadership teaching. Zoom removes pressure from people and from you. I'm inviting somebody to Zoom. They can't come. Right. When can you come? You're going to become professional and confident. Say, hey, we got a Zoom Tuesday. No, I can't come. Can you make it Thursday at 7? 7, Thursday. Thursday evening, can you make it? Yes. I am booking you. I'm booking you a seat for Thursday presentation. You are booked. You cannot say no. Anyway, you got the WhatsApp presentations. Why? Low resistance. I told you that. Somebody said, no, people won't go to another WhatsApp presentation group. Then start your own. Start your own group with your people. You go to the WhatsApp presentation, you copy and paste, and you post it onto your group so that they can see. If they're happy, you bring them to the big one. If not, build your own groups. As instruction, send WhatsApp presentations to people you haven't spoken to in years. That's low resistance. People that you feel awkward about. Line to teeth. I thought of you when I saw this. An old buddy, old people that you haven't seen in years said, hey, I thought of you when I saw this. How's it going? Great, wonderful. Listen, if I would you. No, no worries. I'm here if anything changes. I'll help somebody else. Yes, great. Step 2, 3, 4, final integration. The statement. Growth room trains leaders to become trailblazers. Zoom's built belief. WhatsApp's builds behavior. And when all three work together, when you access all of them, can you come to Zoom? No. Can I put you in a WhatsApp presentation group? Yes, great. Those that get in, can you come to a growth room training? What's it about? Oh, there's all kinds of things. We got the 7 steps and the 30 and what. Just come and have a look. Yes, great. Follow, learn, grow, use. 5-step focus, leadership context. Your name list determines how many step ones can happen. If I don't have a names list, I cannot put people into the system. No names list, no curiosity event. If I've got no names, I've got nothing. If you want to build a business. For those that don't, the product is powerful enough to help them and keep them busy for years. I want to go diamond. How big's your names list? I want to go senior manager 4-star, earning 25,000 Rand a quarter. How big's your names list? Don't tell me you know 500 people. It doesn't help. 5-step integration. Step 1, names create curiosity. Step 5, leaders teach the list building immediately. That's why it's number 1. Key leadership shift. If somebody avoids building a list, they avoid duplication. Self-development for leaders, it's about responsibility, courageous leadership, non-judgmental thinking at this level. A leader doesn't decide for others. He doesn't protect their comfort. There's no more comfort. Trailblazer attitudes. A trailblazer must grow into courage over comfort. Service mindset, not who would benefit, not who will say yes. Emotional resilience, detaching yourself. It doesn't matter if they say yes or no. I'm putting them into a system. Trailblazers understand that reach determines retirement speech. Leadership growth indicator, you are progressing when writing names no longer triggers fear. You feel responsibility, not anxious about outreach. Alignment action. Now, we don't call it homework. We call it alignment action. It fits Anandek's philosophy because of its retirement acceleration. This week's action alignment. Listen to this recording as many times as you can. Make your names list at least 50 names. If you are serious about going forward, next week, skill 3, if you don't have a names list, I love you. If you don't have a names list, it's not going to help you. You are going to waste your time. Rather spend it with your loved ones. If you don't have a names list next week, week number 3, it's not going to help you. You're going to start contacting one person a day and connect to the 5-step system. Ladies and gentlemen, that is skill number 2. We've got 5 more to go. It's on the recordings. Go and listen to this. I'm going to stop this. I know it was a lot. So you probably won't listen to this every day, but listen to a little bit every day. 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Just listen. Anyway, I'm going to stop this and we'll just say goodbye quickly.